Welcome to Time Slot Pro. This is a video on how to add a event to your calendar as a time slot. So in order to add a slot, the first thing you need to do is have events. So hopefully you were able to already add some events to your account that we can add as slots. So the first thing you want to do is click on the slots tab, come to the slots page, where you can see all your existing slots, any open slots that don't have any bookings, any old archive slots where that time has already passed. And you want to click on Add Slot. Once you've clicked on Add Slot, you'll see a list of all the events that you have created. So in this example, I'm going to create a baseball hitting lesson for the 1 hour to my calendar as a time slot. And you can also create just a custom one-time use event. If you don't want to create an event that's set to your calendar permanently, you could just come in here and create a one-time event. But for this one, let's use an existing event, baseball hitting lesson. And once you selected that, you'll need to pick a location. You can add a new location if you wanted to and save it to your list, or you can skip this step. I'll pick a location for this one. And then you want to pick what days you want to offer this time slot. So this baseball lesson I'm going to offer on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I'll just do my next 2 weeks and I'll set the rest later. And then next I'll set the time. So I want to offer this at 4 p.m. And I have an existing event at 4 p.m. So I got a little notice letting me know and asking if I want to overbook the time slot. And I'll go ahead and overbook it, and next I'll get my confirmation page where it'll give me all the information about the time slot and the days I'm actually setting, and then just click confirm and add. And once you've done that, right now it's adding this as an event to the calendar that you have synced up, and it adds it to your Time Slot Pro calendar as well. So we've successfully created these slots. So now they've been added to my Google Calendar and my Time Slot Pro calendar, and you'll see them here as open. And if I just sort them right here, we did the 1 hour of baseball hitting, open, and you'll see them here, all the ones added at 4 p.m. And so if I wanted to invite a client directly to this one specific lesson, I would click the copy button, and then when you do that, what it does, it sends them a link directly to that time slot page for them to book, and where they can pay with cash or with credit card or with a package if they use a package or whatever it is. But that's it. You have successfully added time slots to your calendar, and you're ready to start sharing and get booked. Have fun.